Ukraine and environ. I, Babalawos Sina Kuti, member of Egbe Ile Ogunti of the Remo of the state of Nigeria, hereby stood up in the presence of other Egbe Awo to counter the interview conducted with me by Ruslan Fafemi and Fafemi from Ukraine in 2008 on the issue of whether our culture permits women initiation into Ifa, with Marina from Moscow as a case study. That time I said no unknowingly, and the whole comment was put inside the internet for people to read, and this creates a lot of pandemonium and a real confusion among Ifa and Orisha initiates. Today, 21st of June 2009, I'm reversing the statement. Women initiation into Ifa as yes. This came up as a result of research. And interpersonal interview conducted with elders of Babalawos both far and near, with support from the Araba of Lulu, Ikene, Shagamu, Akaka, and down to the origin of the Yoruba creed, Ile Ife. All agreed that women initiation into Ifa is in conformity with the norms and value of Yoruba culture. Research also reveals that the late Araba and his son, Chief Udujoli, Sunday Shokobi, did women initiation in their lifetime in the presence of the incumbent Araba, Chief Adesoyawode, and there was no grumbling or eyebrow. Babalawo Shokobi, son of the late Sunday Shokobi, confirmed that he has witnessed a series of women initiation before the demise of his father, and concluded that what is good for the goose also good for the gander, with reference to the Som Ifa from Retalaje, Ogbealara, and Omeji, all in support of women initiation, because any Awo that is done without women is a dead Awo. Chief Koroye, a prominent chief in Oderemo, also testified that women initiation into Ifa is real, as his wife was a beneficiary into Ifa, and from Letsukumbi, this is to a limited range when compared to that of a woman, but for a woman that has reached the menopause stage, they are given Ibaiwa. In conclusion, Marina Ifayemisi initiation is legitimate according to the cultural law and was here in Nigeria to do Jasho, which is a symbol of giving thanks to Ifa for bringing changes to one life, or one way or the other. Therefore, other witches to join the race can do so without any hindrance. Now, my advice to the Orisha and Ifa devotees in Ukraine, Russia, and Moldova is to make themselves united and make unity their watchword, and stop blackmailing each other in the internet, as it brings no good. Let them live together in harmony and peace in order to promote and move our culture forward. To be honest with each other, because any Awo that is not honest will not be supported by the deities. Please let sleeping dog lies. For any other information, contact ptshey@yahoo.com or gatewaytoifa@gmail.com.